In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an expense report in Google Sheets. Begin by opening your expense report file in Google Sheets. Once the spreadsheet loads, take a moment to look over the layout so you understand where information is meant to go. Most expense report templates are organized with a header section at the top and a table underneath where each row represents a separate expense. Next, click into the highlighted area you see on the sheet. These highlighted cells are designed to guide you through what needs to be completed. When you select a highlighted cell, you can type directly into it. Move from one highlighted field to the next, clicking each one as you go, and enter the required details. Work carefully and keep your entries consistent, especially for things like dates and amounts, since consistency helps totals calculate correctly. Continue clicking through each highlighted section in order on the sheet. As you fill the report out, make sure each expense line has the key information the template expects, such as the date of the expense, a short description, the category, and the amount. If the template includes separate places for payment method, notes, or who the expense is for, click those highlighted cells as well and complete them. It is a good habit to keep descriptions clear and specific because that makes the report easier to review and approve later. As you progress, watch for any cells that automatically update totals or summaries. Many expense reports are built so that subtotals and grand totals calculate for you. If you notice a total that looks incorrect, double-check the related highlighted entries for typos, missing values, or numbers typed as text. Entering currency amounts without extra symbols unless the sheet is formatted for it can also help prevent calculation issues. Keep clicking each highlighted cell until you have completed every highlighted area on the page. Once all required fields are filled in, do a quick final scan of the sheet to confirm nothing was left blank and that the totals look accurate. Google Sheets saves automatically, so your changes should already be stored as you work. That covers everything you need to know.